y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I listened to your feedback on Instagram. I asked, what kind of recipes do you want to see this holiday season? And I had a couple people message me back and say they want to see a casserole. And so that's what I'm bringing you. I am bringing you this deliciousness, and as you can see, I just took it out the oven and it's already halfway gone. It has been certified by the fam as poppin'. So if you want to see how I make this holiday casserole, just keep watching. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. The first thing you're going to do is take your chopped frozen spinach and transfer it into a microwave safe bowl. And I'm going to be using a total of 2 bags of spinach. And then I'm just going to kind of nuke it in the microwave a little bit just to knock the frost off. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut up some onion. So I'm going to be using a total of 1/4 large white onion. And then, like I said, dicing that up before adding it into the skillet. So in my skillet, I've got just a little bit of vegetable oil, and once it's hot, I'm going to add my onions to start sauteing. But you know me, whenever I use onions, I always use a little minced garlic. So I got 2 tablespoons of that going in there, and then mixing it around while I let it do its thing. All right, now I'm just going to transfer in my spinach to my onions and garlic. Mix that all together before adding in a little bit of Bragg's and some Creole style seasoning. Now you want to be careful with the seasoning. Don't get too heavy handed because we're going to go in with some bacon bits that have a little salt. So once you've got the Bragg's and the Creole seasoning in, just mix it around. I'm adding in some vegan sour cream, and I'm using the Tofutti brand because I absolutely love it. Tofutti, shout out to you if you want to sponsor your girl. Adding in a little bit of some imitation bacon bits, like I said, for additional salt and texture. So mixing that together, and now I'm using the neat egg as my egg replacer. And this is what's going to be acting as our binding agent for the casserole. All right, to my quiche dish, I'm just going to add some oil and go ahead and grease it all the way around before adding in my spinach mixture. So now that it's all in and smooth, I'll add the next layer, which is some shredded vegan pepper jack cheese. And lastly, our layer of tater tots. So I'm just gonna line the casserole dish with the tater tots like you see here. And the final step is to spray it to help those tots get nice and brown. And then it'll bake for 20 minutes on 350 degrees. And that's it. After it rests, it's ready to serve. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section below.